ZIRKOR302, features of the zirconia current principle, linear measuring signal with fixed physical 0 point, fully automated calibration using ambient air, no additional test gases are required, auto-check function, minimal operating costs. These instruments are certified for a variety of national legal requirements regarding the measurement of oxygen in flue gas. Characteristics: fast response time, low maintenance, suitable for difficult measuring conditions. We shall now compare two different technologies for measuring oxygen. One is the widely used voltage probe, the other is the ZIRKOR302, which is based on zirconia current principle. The zirconia voltage probe works by diffusing the measuring gas through the filter onto a measurement electrode. The reference electrode, situated directly opposite the operational electrode, requires a constant supply of air containing 21% oxygen. As a function of the oxygen concentration, a voltage is generated between the measurement and reference electrodes. This voltage has a logarithmic relationship to the oxygen partial pressure and depends on the temperature of the measurement cell, necessitating the additional monitoring and control of the measurement cell temperature. The calibration of voltage probe has to be carried out with air and additional test gases due to the logarithmic characteristic line. This results in increased servicing costs. The measuring principle behind the ZIRKOR302 will now be explained. A pump, controlled by differential pressure, extracts the measuring gas and conveys it to the measurement cell. The flow rate is defined by a throttle inside the measuring gas extraction system. Using automatic adjustment, the flow rate is set for the sensor, current in air, and is close to 500 milliampere, which is equivalent to a flow rate of 0.5 liter measuring gas per hour. Impressing a voltage between the two electrodes of the zirconia measurement cell forces a current to flow. 4 electrons flow per oxygen molecule. During constant gas flow, the current level increases and hence also the measured signal, in linear relation to the oxygen content in the measuring gas. In other words, 0% oxygen means that there is no flow of current. Combined with a physically fixed 0 point, a 1-point calibration with air is sufficient. Special test gas, essential for the voltage probe, is not required for the ZIRKOR302. The highlights of the ZIRKOR302 are linear measuring signal with fixed physical 0 point, fully automated calibration with ambient air. The check function and the calibration of the voltage probe is carried out manually or semi-automatically with air and 2 different test gases. A fully automatic calibration is expensive due to the required test gas check. The test function and the calibration of the ZIRKOR302 are fully automatic and use ambient air only. Any equipment required for this task has been integrated in the device. There are no extra costs for field service personnel and test gases. All variables relevant for measurement are checked and, if required, automatically corrected during calibration. Using the ZIRKOR302 decreases the cost of each periodic maintenance. Therefore, the operational costs of the ZIRKOR302 are kept to a minimum. In comparison, the purchase price for the ZIRKOR302 may be a little higher due to the integrated fully automatic calibration functions, But this is more than compensated for by the emission of additional test gases and the resulting reduction in operational as well as maintenance costs. The higher purchase cost of the current probe, ZIRKOR302, is recovered within a short period of time. ZIRKOR302, cutting-edge technology for oxygen measurement in flue gas for all combustion and incineration processes.